Hi, maybe I'm Sarissa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. Welcome to my Hover video. My first impressions. I started Hover in January 2022. I am today in February 2022. And after a while and talking about it on Twitch, on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/maybe Sarissa, my community was like, where's the Hover video? We want to hear the Hover video. So here it is. If you're not part of the community, don't worry. You can join me on Twitch. I just give the website. It's down in the description. And if you're just curious about Hover, here we go. So is this app, I did not do research beforehand on Google to tell you which year it came out of. Google that yourself. But it's new to me and it's still in beta. So it's still new in my mind. And it's basically just to give a comparison similar to TikTok in the sense it's short form videos. It's on your phone, vertical mostly, but they also have a website on your computer that you can visit and upload your videos to it. So that's good if you like to work on your computer. It's not like an Instagram where you have to upload from your phone. This one is more versatile in that sense. Also, however, social media wise is different compared to most, I'll say, the everyday ones, where there's this currency or point system they call gravity, which you earn daily by engaging with the content. Like you have the likes, that gives you one gravity, more or less. Okay, they don't give you the algorithm. This is me understanding more or less. Likes give you one gravity, commenting gives you one gravity, GG gives you 10 gravity, and you only got two GGs every 4 hours. So that's why it's so much. But the best to get the gravity is when someone uses your referral code. My referral code is Maybes, MAYBES, capital letters. If you do a new account, please use my code if this video is even a little bit helpful, or if you just like my content, or if you just don't have a referral code, it costs you nothing and it helps me out. And that would give me, for example, 100 gravity at the filming of this video. It's in beta. Things can change more or less. You never know with these social media application and platforms. So besides all of that, it also has like an anti-trying to cheat way in the algorithm. You can't just go and swipe and like everything and you'll get gravity. No. It recognizes if you really watch the video full through and like it, or if you're just swiping and like. So that's not working. And a lot of people have been talking on the different platforms. I see that, oh, it sounds like a follow for follow app. No, because if you just follow a bunch of people, I've seen like people who just like out of nowhere follow me, which is not out of nowhere. I have content there, but they follow me. I go check out and they have like a bunch of people they're following, and they have like some followers, but they don't have content up or anything. I have more gravity than them, and I start in January. So just don't think because you're going to like everything you see, you're going to get a bunch of gravity. It doesn't work like that. The algorithm is set in a way, and they're always working on it for it to really recognize authentic. So don't fake it till you make it. Just really interact with the content you like. Another complaint I heard, which also you can connect your Twitter to your Hover. So people on Twitter was saying they don't really see necessarily people like Black people in the app and the Discover. It's mostly like white people. And I, at the beginning, was also noticing that. But as I start liking, interacting, following, GGing more creators besides white creators, or when one pop up like that, the app started to understand and give me a more realistic, real life experience of our everyday lives by showing me people of all ethnicities. So that's my recommendation. If you have that issue on Hover, it's like every other algorithm, Instagram, etc. You have to start liking the people who you want to see more of. Okay, even if you're like, oh yeah, but I want to save my follow number, whatever. I don't know the mentality y'all do. If you want to see more people like you gotta like people like you. Okay, you gotta follow people like you. You got GG people like you. You have comment people like you. Like that. Like there's no roundabout, go sideways, drive it, push back way to do it. That's the way. I'm telling you. And they say they'll work on it too. But if you want to see, like, you gotta do it. You got like do it, and when they change it, even better, you're done ready. But that's my advice. And also, what's great with Hover, it connects directly to your Twitch if you want to. The Twitter too is if you want to. So your like profile, someone can, if they like your video, can visit your Twitch profile immediately on your website, from their application, and then they'll go up. They can follow you from there if they want or not, but at least check out channel. So it's really a good content funnel. Check out that video if you haven't seen it somewhere here. I'll put in suggested. But it's like a content funnel because it guides you to your Twitch, and also like it's connected to Twitch. You can automatically upload like Twitch videos without having to download them because it's connected to your Twitch. So sometimes I don't edit like I do for shorts, reels, or TikToks. I just literally just take my clip, my Twitch clip. It's completely acceptable. They see it, and with Hover, you can also watch it in portrait mode. Oh, sorry, this is portrait and landscape and portrait and then landscape. So it's also practical. So you can watch your Twitch clips and landscape, and it's the same. It's a normal thing. Some people upload at like right off the back. Some people edit. I do a mix of both. So it's whatever floats your boat in this case. Last thoughts, opinions. I like Hover. I feel like it's less pressure than TikTok for my personal liking, because I feel like it's already like Twitch community based. I'm in a Twitch community. You understand the jokes. People are still uploading a lot of TikToks on there. I have uploaded TikToks on there. So a lot of things is still like TikTok trends, like on the streaming world, but it doesn't have to. You can make your own Hover trend, or you could just film your video without it being on TikTok and put it there, and people will still see it, will still like it, watch it, comment, do whatever. I feel like it's just more of a niche kind of application, since it's like Twitch Universe. They have their own channel with challenges that is on Hover, where you can win money if you're selected by the team, and then you vote in chat. There was a Chubby Bunny challenge which I entered. There's like a top streamer challenge every week. Like there's multiple channels where you can win money, and even if you don't win the first place, second, third place, fourth place, I think all of them have like some sort of cash prize. So I feel like they're very interactive, and their Discord is very active too. I'm part of their Discord. Do I talk in it? No, but I'm a silent ninja. I still gonna be there now, and I read the information. But if I active, not really. I think I said hi once, but that's okay. That can change. It's the point is, if you need more information besides the Twitter, besides me talking about in this video, I really recommend you joining that Discord, because they update. Like I feel like there's always every day something, either an update or someone talking or something. They're very active so far. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what I've missed. And again, I like it, and I look forward to continuing on Hover. Again, maybe Sarissa, if you're on Hover, make code maybes. If you're interested in even following me without using the code, that helps. And also, what helped me with my deciding to go to Hover, SavingKelsey. Oof, I'm sorry if I said your name wrong. I'll put her YouTube video in the description, where she explains. She has like a tutorial on Hover, where this is more of my first impression, thoughts, etc. So I'm giving you different information than her. I will send you to her video if you would like to get like her whole explanation, how it works, etc., etc., because she gives details that I did not speak of, just like I said things that she did not speak of. We both have different opinions and different experience, because we're different people. That's what's beautiful with YouTube. We can all have reviews, and we all have different things to say. So I'll say check out her content there. Also Spandy, he too. He didn't do a video, but he's one of the people who helped me understand Hover a bit more. I'll link his Twitch down in the description. Thank you for watching until now. Bye-bye.